Okay, so this is reflection, then translation. Now we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to do the translation first, and then the reflection. And I know I've already told you we're going to get a different result, but let's go ahead and do it. My red is drying out, so I'm going to use green. So we're going to translate along vector AB, and we're going to translate this image. So it comes down like so. Let me trace it. So this is our, this will be our translation of E. So there's translation E right here. And so I did the same translation, but in a different order. So now I'm going to take the translation of E and reflect it across line L right here. And you can already see it's ending up in a completely different place. There's my, I need a point on the line to make sure I get it in the same place. So there's my point. So I'm going to just flip it over, and my image ends up on a completely different place. So here's my image right there. So this one is translation, then reflection. Translation, then reflection of E. Okay, so let's compare the two. Let's get them both on here. I don't know if I can get them both on here, but that's where it ended up. It's on the upper side of the line. Here's my, let's kind of trace it in color so we can see where it ended up. That is translation, then reflection. Here is, over here in our diagram, is reflection, then translation. So the order matters when we do reflection, when we combine reflections and translations. Okay? All right, so what I would like you to do now is find exercise 4 and 5. It's this diagram right here. Use this diagram for exercise 4 and 5. It asks you to do a translation and a reflection, very similar to what I just modeled for you. So use your transparency. First translate figure S, then reflect and label it S prime. And then you're going to do it again. You're going to first reflect, then translate and label it S double prime. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and do exercises 4 and 5.